Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday, October 24th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And we have in today's newspaper no extra puzzles, no additional, not so good news. News of the day, well, dinosaur fossils discovered in Hong Kong for the first time, yeah. Uh, this will be number 9479. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. It's indicated with a 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars, maybe a 0 stars or 1 star. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is a 0 stars, a 1 star, or 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box and there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here, so the 1 and 2, well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and the 3. Well, these two boxes can be 2, so the 2 should be here. And the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. And we see a triple box. Remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright, here. Triple box. Number 2, yeah. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have the 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box will be a 4. All right. Then, my next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and a 4. Well, these 3 boxes can be a 2. So around the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. My next question, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, only 2 of them. Then, following shape that you need to recognize about the S construction. If you flip this or mirror this shape, you will get the Z construction. It's the same shape. Anyway, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here in the same area. So it can be 5 anymore. This box will be a 4. It's connected with that box, will be so 4. This box is connected with that box, so it should be also 1 and a 3. 1 or a 3. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. With only 2 of them. For of those shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Then let me see. 3 and the 4. Well, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 to 4, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 4, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. Then let me see. 5. I'm close. I'm very close here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. This one is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and 1. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I'm thinking. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 5. No, not a 5. 1, 2, could be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this area for number 5. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Is connected with that box. Super. So 3. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box can be a 1 because we've had double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be in the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. Numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this S construction. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box will be a 5, and I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. Then let me see. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. We solve it again. Told you. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 1? Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow on Friday, last working day this week. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.